Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add smooth scroll back to top button on WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do this, we need to actually install in here a plugin. So click on this right here and search in here for smooth scroll back to top. So search in here for that. And then from in there, you should be able to see some search results related to this. And then from in there, you can see this smooth back to top button and also this smooth scroll back to top. So it totally depends on you which one you want to actually install, but for me, I'll install this one. So in here, once you have click on it, click on this install and activate in order to install and activate this particular plugin. As you can see, it's been installed right here. So once it's been installed, we can head back right here to our dashboard and let's head over to our actual website. So it will automatically be added. So let's try to scroll down right here. And when you try to scroll down, you should be able to see this arrow up button. And when you click on it, it will be a smooth scroll back to top option right there. And then when you click on it, as you can see, it will scroll back to top. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.